doing some upgrades, lighting. Show you a little bit of my bike. When the first lights are changed out, the custom dynamics fillers. Well, to be honest, I didn't have any lights. Had to put the fillers in. Well, changed out the backlight, added the fillers. These are brand new. I just did those last night. I'm pleased with it. Like the brightness. Safety is crucial. Eventually I'll get to this light and light it as well, but in no rush. I thought about starting this video when I first started doing the switch, but I wasn't prepared to do that. So I started on this last minute after I couldn't sleep, so decided to do something. Eventually, I just put these in a couple of weeks ago, the lower vents. The next couple of weeks, I'll be getting the custom dynamics headlamp. It just provides so much more light, you know. Of course, these are custom dynamics as well. Those, I've switched those out probably shortly after I got the bike back in 2020. This is my 2020 Rogue Glide Limited. And I'm about to switch these out as well. Just to get that extra light. I notice motorcycles, unless you have the lights projected from underneath, you never really have anything from the side people could see. Well, that'll be it for right now. Anyway, guys, I'm making progress on the side reflector removal. Thought I would share this with you. After you drill the hole, this reflector doesn't pop out as easy as it appears, as it should. See, I could push it so far. So I'm thinking if I grab a flathead, see how this goes. I could use the leg a little bit. Oh. Try that again. It's pretty snug in there, so I don't plan on using this reflector again, but I am trying to save it. So let me see if I could the vise probably would work better, but I really don't have a vise. So trying not to damage my actual beam. It's almost as if I want to drill some more holes, but let's see. This is for a 20 row glide limited. Row glass, street glass may be the same. No one's ever showed this aspect before in all the videos I've seen. So as you can see, it is a doozy. Okay, so what I was able to do is I got it underneath a hard surface and just gradually continue to force it up. It's a lot of glue in there. It's not that simple. It's just pushing it out from the back end. And this is just the first side. So I have the other side to do. Kyoja. Can I do what now?
I mean, like $20.
$20. Okay.
I do want everything, but see ya.
Yeah, alright. Bye. So, light is terrible. Let's see what I can do about that. Little update. Got the flashlight. So drill short. So, got the wire ran through the area attached going to there. Supposed to change those one day. That's what it's looking like for right now. Still have the other side to do. Well, actually, I have to take off this saddlebag and drill a hole so I can have access to the other one. So the hole's gonna go right there behind the screws. Once I get that done, I'll show you that as well. So we'll pause for now. I was supposed to stop, but I guess you caught that. Forever getting hit up by the daughter. Kyoja. Can I do what now?
I mean, like $20.
$20. Okay.
I do want everything, but see ya.
Yeah, alright. Bye. I was supposed to stop, but I guess you caught that. Forever getting hit up by the daughter. Yep, didn't have that 9/16 bit. So off to Home Depot. Hopefully traffic won't be that bad. It's a Saturday and it's the SEC championship. Georgia versus Alabama. Pretty pretty festive. It's always a good thing about living in Atlanta. A couple of major college football games a year. It's real cool. Struggling with the windows, but we'll get it together. Time to roll. Mercedes-Benz Stadium over there. Not sure what time the game starts, the SEC championship game. By the traffic, it seems really relatively light. Hopefully I can make this light. Bama fans over there. Georgia fans over there. A lot of the RVs and stuff parked over here. Games. I'm not sure my quick shopping experience was captured, but got everything I needed. Views of Atlanta, Midtown, Pond City Market. Over there is over towards Piedmont Park. But yeah, I'm anxious to finish this project up so I can at least get some riding done today. It's amazing when you're doing these installs and upgrades. It's always something. It's always something.